Hi guys, greetings from Team Idea. We are showing you the installation process for the side panniers for the X440. This is how they will look once they are installed, and we'll show you the installation video. This is what you're going to get in the kit: your rack for the left side, for the right side, a connecting rod, bolts, 4 of them, and spacers. Now it's important to know that this is how the assembly of the spacers and washers should be. If you have a backrest already on your motorcycle, you will use 3 of these black spacers on each of these bolts. If you don't have a backrest on your motorcycle, you will add 2 more to this and make them 5 each. And this washer stays as is. This is how your rack will be assembled. The bolts with the spacers that we were talking about are going to go here. Please note that the washer stays here, and the spacers go at the back here. So in this bike we have not put all the spacers, but you will ideally have to put 3 or 5 as the case may be. And these are the points on which your box will mount. So the 4 mounts will sit on these 4 slots. Please make sure that it fits snugly. You may need some help in doing this installation. Make sure it sits tight. So we would have given you a key for this lock. This is for the detachable version. So make sure you use the key and open this lock. Once you open it, you lock it. Yeah, you make sure you lock it so that and ensure that your box is sitting tight. Also, riders, please ensure you use thread lock liquid on those 4 bolts so that they don't come off. And like we mentioned in the detachable version, please make sure that you have use the locking mechanism and use the key and locked the lock well, so that they don't fall off. This is the connecting rod that you will receive with this assembly. So the rod is actually inside. So this is how it's to be installed. It goes inside the casing. Make sure you apply some thread lock liquid on the nut. Use the spacer and tighten the nut. So this is how it should look. Thank you.